Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram app not opening or not working on iPhone. First, we force close the Telegram app. So to do that, just roll up at the bottom of your phone right here, and you should see this apps that you recently opened. And once you find Telegram, just simply scroll up on Telegram to force close that one. And once you have done that, you can try to reopen Telegram again. If that does not work, let's go to our app store, and here we make sure that Telegram is up to date. To do that, let's click on our profile icon at the top right. Let's scroll down and you should be able to see all of these apps that need update. So if you find Telegram right here, just simply click on the update button to have the latest Telegram version. Next is we go to our settings. Let's click on general right here and let's go to software update. From here, if you have pending updates to install, just install them to make sure that you have the latest iOS version, which will help in bug fixes within the Telegram app as well. If that is not the case, let's go back and let's click on iPhone storage. From here at the top, make sure that you have enough extra storage because it would help Telegram run better. And we can then scroll down of the apps and click on Telegram. From here, we click on Offload App and Offload App once again. This will help clear the cache, so just do that and it will remove any of your data as well. And once it has been offloaded, just click on Reinstall App. And once it has been reinstalled, you can then reopen Telegram and see if it now functions well. If not, let's go back to our main settings page. Let's scroll down to the very bottom, go to apps, and let's go to Telegram right here, and let's select Telegram in here. From here, make sure that the necessary permissions are turned on like this, as well as a background app refresh, cellular data, and the others right here. Now, if your problem has still not been solved, let's go to our homepage and look for Telegram. It is in here for me. Hold down on Telegram and click on Remove App. And once you have removed it, click on Delete App. That will then uninstall the Telegram app and you will then have to re-download it on your app store right here. Now, the last resort would be to go to settings. If it still is not working, go to the main settings page and let's go to general. From here, let's scroll down to the very bottom and click on transfer or reset iPhone. At the bottom, click on reset again and select reset all settings. So that will delete all of your network, Wi-Fi passwords, and wallpaper, but it won't delete any of your apps or data. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.